Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This soundbar is LG Home Cinema Soundbar US80TR 5.1.3 channel soundbar with two rear speakers and wireless subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to your TV using HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So if you take the cable, go to the back of the soundbar and hook it up to HDMI TM to TV ARC, the center port, and it's in. Take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV and connect it to HDMI into ARC. This is where it goes. HDMI into ARC. Then the next thing to do is you need to switch the soundbar on. Currently showing us Wi-Fi. So use the function button or input or source button to select optical/HDMI ARC. Then the next thing to do is you need to switch the TV on. And if you look on the rear speakers, it will show you a steady green light. They are connected. Then switch your TV on. HDMI 2 now available. Go to your TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. Sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. It's showing us HDMI ARC device. If it's not showing you HDMI ARC device, you need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the side and look for where it's showing HDMI, then you select on it. This soundbar and TV both are now connected, and also with this you can also select the sound effects. If you scroll up, you can see the sound effect is showing us currently standard. So you can select the sound effect, then scroll to the side to cinema, clear voice pro if you have LG TV. So the soundbar and LG TV both are synced together, so you can see the sound effect. You can select it from your TV remote. Likewise, selecting it from the soundbar remote. So it's currently showing us AI sound. So you can select the sound mode, sound out, HDMI ARC. If you connect this soundbar also using LG ThinQ app, it will show you that it's connected on the app via HDMI ARC. So you can increase the volume and do so many things from the app, LG ThinQ app, and it show you the soundbar, show you the subwoofer is connected, rear speaker connected. You can switch this off from this button as well, increase the volume and decrease the volume. You can also mute it, TV remote, and functions. Sound settings. If you select sound settings, you can control the sound level, subwoofer level, center speaker, overhead speaker volume, rear speaker volume. So these are the features you can select and control using the remote. Likewise, control it using LG ThinQ app on your mobile device. And when it's in HDMI connection, you can increase the volume of the TV using the TV remote. Likewise, increase the volume using the soundbar remote. Now I want us to go to YouTube. If you go to your laptop and want to print photo, so this is the audio 4x6 to print it out. If you want to print A3, the same procedure. Now I want us to print photo. So go to Brother iPrint and Scan. Double click it to open. I'm going to show you how to print document from your computer to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your computer and printer are connected to the same network. We connected both. This is standard wireless network. To print documents, go to File Explorer. Cinema. Go to wherever you save the documents. It can be from download. It can be from document folder. So go to Documents, then type the documents. Clear Voice Pro. So you have several options, several ways you can control this soundbar and your TV. You can control it using the soundbar remote, control it using the LG ThinQ app on your mobile phone, and also TV remote. Likewise, you can also control pressing this button or decrease the volume. This button is function, and this button is for you to switch the soundbar off. This is pause and play. This is Bluetooth button and Wi-Fi connection button. So now this is gone back to BT. If you look on the soundbar, it's gone to BT. So if you select, it's gone to Wi-Fi. So this is the function button, HDMI, mode, USB, optical / HDMI ARC. So you can select all the function from the top as well. Volume, you can also just tap desktop, local disk, or browse. Select browse. Then you select the document you want to print. Select open. Now the document is attached to AI Sound Pro. Thank you very much. So this is how to connect this to your TV using HDMI cable.